Imagine if I tell you that an SUV has arrived, which is not only electric, not only four-wheeled, but you are also getting air conditioning and the gift of solar power. And the most surprising thing is, its price is so low that you will say, "Really? This is Chang Li's new cheapest autos electrical?" It is a small but powerful vehicle that looks like a mini SUV, which is no less than magic for small cities and crowded roads. The price of this electric car is only around $2,000. At such a low price, it has shaken the entire electric market. Now, the question arises, what technology has the company put in it at such a low price? How does this small SUV charge its battery with a solar panel? And how has China done this? Believe me, when you hear about its range, features, and practicality, you will feel that the game of the automobile market is going to change. So, in this video, we will reveal all its secrets to you. But before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to see such videos. When this new cheapest autos electrical four-wheel SUV from Chang Li came on the market, to be honest, it caused a sensation as soon as it arrived. At first, people could not believe that a four-wheeled, air-conditioned, and solar-charged electric car could be available at such a low price. Its photos and videos went viral on social media, so fast that whoever saw it tagged their friends asking, "Hi, is this true?" Someone said that it looks like a toy car for children, while someone else said that it is perfect for small towns and villages. A debate started in automobile groups about what the company must be cutting to offer such a cheap car. But when the real features were revealed, many people were surprised that it has everything that a common man needs. And yes, it is also true that as soon as its videos went viral, people in many countries started Googling about Chang Li. That is, the brand's identity became global overnight. People were surprised not only by the price, but also by the fact that in such a compact and simple car, the company also included things like solar charging and air conditioning, which are usually found in expensive electric vehicles. Now, let's talk about its design and build quality, which is quite interesting in itself. At first glance, it looks like a mini SUV. It's small in size, but there is no shortage of style. Its length is such that driving it in the crowded streets of the city is child's play, and yet 4 people can sit comfortably in it. Due to 4 wheels, it gives a balanced and stable drive, which is much better than cheap electric vehicles with 3 wheels. Because of the high seating position, the driver gets a clear view of the road, which makes driving even easier. The body is made of metal, not plastic, which means it doesn't take much damage even in minor collisions. This makes it durable. Yes, it is also true that it is not as strong as a heavy SUV, but the build quality is really amazing for the price it comes at. The design of its headlights, tail lights, and side mirrors is simple but functional. That is, it looks good and works well too. On top of that, its compact design eliminates the hassle of parking, as it is so small that it can be parked even in tight spaces. The most important thing is that Chang Li has paid attention to small details to give it an SUV-like feel, like mini roof rails, slightly higher ground clearance, and color options that give it a more premium look. The design of its dashboard has been kept very simple, but sitting inside, you do not feel like you're in a toy car. You get the basic controls and comfort that is necessary for everyday driving. Chang Li has created such a balance in the design that it not only looks cute and smart but is also practical. This is the reason why as soon as it came into the market, people's eyes were fixed on it, and it started being discussed everywhere from social media to news articles. If we talk about the heart and brain of this cheapest autos, electrical four-wheel SUV from Chang Li, then it is its electric motor and battery system. Look, in any electric vehicle, the motor and battery are the things that decide how fast the car will run, how far it will go, and how long it will last. The electric motor that Chang Li has installed in it is not very big and heavy, but compact and efficient. Its power is such that it can easily reach a speed of 30 to 40 km/h, which is perfect for moving around inside the city and in small towns. Now, someone will say, "Hey, that's so slow." So, this car is not made for the racetrack, but for everyday small tasks like commuting to and from the office, dropping kids to school, or running around the market. Now, let's talk about the battery. It has lithium-ion battery technology, which is used in most EVs these days. This technology is special because charging is fast, power delivery is smooth, and its life is also long. Chang has given a battery of about 3 to 4 kilowatt capacity in it, which gives a range of about 50 to 70 kilometers on a single charge. Yes, this range also depends on driving style, weight, and weather. But in normal use, this much is easily available. Talking about charging time, this battery gets fully charged in about 6 to 8 hours from the normal 220V socket of the house. That is, plug it in at night, and you will have it ready in the morning. But the real fun is in its solar charging feature. The solar panel installed on its roof keeps charging the battery with sunlight during the day. Now, one will think whether this panel can charge the entire battery. So the answer is no. It is difficult to charge the entire battery with solar, but it increases your range by 8 to 10 kilometers. That too, without any electricity bill. That is, if you park it outside during the day, the sunlight is charging your car for free. This solar panel is especially beneficial for those who take short trips of short distances during the day. Suppose you are driving only 20 to 25 kilometers daily. Then many times you will not even need to charge it at home. And yes, this also means that the battery charge remains for a longer time, which increases its life. Another point to note is that the battery of Chang is removable. The advantage of this is that if you do not have a charging spot at home, then you can remove the battery and charge it inside. This feature is the icing on the cake for people with small apartments and tight parking. So, talking about everyday use, this battery and motor combination is enough. It is neither built for 100 km/h on the highway nor for carrying heavy loads. It is built for economical, comfortable, and eco-friendly driving. And to be honest, considering the price at which this SUV comes, this battery and motor setup is completely value for money. If we talk about the safety and durability of this cheapest auto's electrical four-wheel SUV from Chang, then first of all, it is important to accept that in such a cheap car, you will not get the high-end safety features of expensive SUVs. But this does not mean that safety has not been taken care of in it. Its body structure is made of metal, which makes it stronger than cheap electric vehicles with a plastic body. It can easily get dented in a minor collision or scratch, but the fear of braking is less. The braking system is also basic but reliable. It has disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear, which are capable of stopping the vehicle properly at the city speed limit. Apart from this, the lighting system is also good. LED headlights, taillights, and indicators provide clear visibility at night, and other drivers are also aware of your vehicle's movement. Yes, it does not have features like airbags, but its compact speed and lightweight keep it away from high-speed crashes. Anyway, in terms of durability, Chang has made it to last longer. The motor and battery have been designed in such a way that it can work for years, even with low maintenance. Its body has been coated to protect it from rain, sun, and dust so that it does not rust quickly. If you use it normally and do not overload it, then it can run for many years without major repairs. Now, let's talk about charging options and running cost, which is the biggest strength of this vehicle. First of all, charging at home. You can charge it from a normal 220V socket. Plug it in at night, and the battery will get fully charged as soon as you wake up in the morning. The charging time is around 6 to 8 hours, which is quite normal for small EVs. Another option is its solar charging feature. The solar panel installed on the roof keeps adding power to the battery from the sunlight during the day, which increases your range a bit, and you do not need to charge it again and again. If you live in an area where there is good sunlight, then this feature reduces your electricity bill even more. And now we come to the most interesting part of the video. A question for you. Imagine you have a vehicle which is so cheap that it comes in the price of a bike, which charges itself from the sun, which even has air conditioning, and whose running cost is many times less than petrol. Would you like to buy it? Do you think this is the real future of the automobile industry? If your answer is yes, then tell us in the comment which color you would like to have this vehicle in. And if you think that something will be missing in such a cheap vehicle, then tell that too. Maybe your idea will reach Chang. And yes, before the video ends, one important thing. Subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to see such fun and informative videos.